So, hey my friends and my seniors, guys, welcome back, guys, into this brand new video. So, first of all, I say sorry to everyone because I didn't active some days, and also my health is not good, so that's why I cannot upload my video regularly. So that's why I say sorry to you all of. So today I am here to give you a new important and also interesting advice, like you also like think that. So in this thing, in this advice, that if you can understand the advice, that you can easily learn the English language, or you can easily make sentence with anyone and also with your environment. Yes, guys, so this video is gonna very important and also very useful video for everyone. So first of all, if you did not subscribe my channel, first of all you have to subscribe my channel, and after you subscribe my channel you have to press the bell icon. So I don't waste time this etc thing, that I will go to the topic. Yes, guys, so first of all I will tell you that thing is very important, that the topic is that planning. Planning give you sentence. Yes, yes, planning give you sentence. So as you say that how planning give the sentence, how planning give the sentence. So now I will tell you very interesting thing, like you want to go to another place, you want to go like you like one of your relative house. So in this time you have to think that how you go to your relative house, by car, by like think that by car you can go, by also a cycle you can go, by also by you can go, by also auto you can go. How you go in your relative house, how you go. Like also this is called the planning, this is called the thinking, that now I will go to my relative house by auto. And then after you thinking that I will go to my relative house by auto, then the second thing is that how many dresses do you collect, how many dresses do you pack in your suitcase. That is called the planning. And then after you thinking that, after you planning these things, dresses and also auto, then the third number planning is that why I go to my relative house, and this question, try to try to say question for yourself, try to ask question for yourself, like why I do this thing, why I do this thing, why I go here, why I go here and there. So try to ask question for yourself. So in this event is very important. First of all, you try to plan something. Without planning you cannot make sentence. Like thing, like the third number planning is that how many money do you have. You have enough money to prepare to you can go your relative house properly, uh, and easily you can go to your relative house. Do you have enough money? So this is called the planning. All of the thing you have to thinking that, like if I do this thing, that my money is not enough, and if I do these big things, if I want to learn the English language, my knowledge is not enough, I have to read enough, I have to read lot of books, as lot of thing I have to read. So that thing is very important, that planning. Without planning you cannot make sentence. Like thing, like when you sit in your table, in this time you have to plan it, you have to thinking. Without planning you cannot speak better, without planning you cannot without planning sentence will not come. Thinking and planning is the one of the most important thing in this time. Also, if you are new, if you want to learn the English language, thinking or planning is a very useful thing. Try to understand, try to learn this thing, try to think about something in English. Like think, yesterday, I will give you example, like yesterday how you thinking. Like also, you just you take a normal topic, like how to learn the English language, and you just set, in your table, in your chair, and you're just thinking and thinking that what is the topic, how I tell this thing, and what sentence I should tell, what sentence I have to say, and I have to plan this thing, how I do this thing. You just take a notebook in your hand and you take a pen in your hand, and what sentence came in your brain, try to write it. Without writing you cannot copy it, and if you cannot copy it you cannot say it. So that is the thing, that is very simple thing, that a very easiest thing to speak the English language, to learn the English language. Without thinking you cannot achieve your success, without thinking you cannot achieve your fluency, without thinking, without like planning, you cannot make your base strong. That is the thing. Planning is one of the most useful, one of the most important thing that you have to do this thing. Like planning is like a meditation. Without meditation your health is not good. This thing also same, that without planning you cannot achieve your goal, without planning you cannot speak better, without planning you cannot got respect, without planning you cannot set up your timetable. So one of the thing is very important, that your timetable is the one of the most important thing that you have to follow strictly. Your timetable, without timetable you cannot achieve your success, achieve. Without planning you cannot prepare at your home, you prepare, you without planning you cannot prepare. So that is the very important thing, that the planning is very important thing, as I tell you. So yesterday when I scrolled in mobile, so I have suddenly seen that planning is very interesting thing, that let's make a video by planning. So also now I will tell you that the planning is the what is the benefit to do, what is the benefit to the planning. So I hope you all understand the what is the benefit to plan something. So that is the thing, that if you are new in the channel, first of all, you have to subscribe. So thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting video.